So we've had this MSA 140 saw for about a year now, and we love it. And before that, I used to borrow the MS 120 saw from work, and we put that one through its paces. We used it to make every cut on the cabin, and we used this MSA 140 to make the woodshed behind me and cut all our firewood last year, and even used it to carve this little bear here behind me. It's a very handy saw. It's not going to replace a gas saw by any means, but it's perfect for hobbyists and homeowners and cabin owners. And so today we're going to do a real world test cutting up red oak firewood to see how long it can cut with one AK-30 battery. So all this wood is blowdown wood from a major storm that hit here last spring. There's thousands of trees blew down in the area. And so last fall we cut up about probably about 2 bush cords worth, and brought it home with the ATV just in random lengths. So now we're going to cut it up in the firewood lengths and stack it in the woodshed. Okay, so for this test, it's a AK-30 battery straight off the charger and a brand spanking new chain right out of the box. So we actually cut up everything I brought down already, and we still got 3 out of 4 lights left, so I'm gonna have to bring down some more and keep cutting. Stay tuned. So we're only down to 2 lights so far. We've already cut way more wood than I guessed it would. This is all red oak. Helps having it up on the sawhorse like this. The saw's running great. So that lasted a lot longer than we thought. This is our first time putting the MSA 140 to the test. And that's probably a solid half-ton load of firewood there at least. It's all red oak. There was one piece of maple mixed in, but most of it's all oak. And like I said, that's about all you want to cut in one sitting anyways. If you did want to get more serious with it, you could get a second battery and just keep swapping them out on the charger. Or you could do like I'm going to do and use this for an excuse to take a break. I guess I should mention that this isn't a sponsored video by any means. The saw I actually got for Christmas from Kylie. I wouldn't have got no supper if I didn't mention that as well. So I guess maybe she's the sponsor. But anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Take care.